Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. This episode, we're going to be talking about the Ansoff Matrix, a market product analysis created by Igor Ansoff. Now, Igor Ansoff was a Russian-American applied mathematician and business manager. He's also known as the father of strategic management. In 1957, the Harvard Business Review published his article entitled Strategies for Diversification, in which he presented his Ansoff Matrix. This simple framework has been very popular with marketers and business leaders for decades. Now, with this approach, companies can explore growth opportunities in terms of markets and products. So for any product, there is both a current market, which consists of existing customers, and a new market of potential customers. And for any market, there is a current product, which you're now selling, and a new product, which has the potential for development. So let's start with market penetration, increasing sales of a current product in an existing market. This can be done through more promotion, or distribution, for instance. Take the dairy farmers of Canada. Now, they may choose to run a campaign to promote the consumption of milk, not only for drinking, but on cereal for breakfast. Here, they're choosing to leverage market penetration. On the other hand, market development is a marketing strategy of selling current products to new markets. This could be accomplished geographically or by targeting a different market segment, like running an ad campaign for iPad that specifically appeals to the 65-plus generation with the messaging that they can easily stay in touch with their grandchildren. Over to product development, a marketing strategy of selling new products to existing markets. For instance, a coffee chain might decide to offer new bubble tea options. And finally, diversification. Here, the marketing strategy is to develop new products and sell them in new markets. So this, of course, is the riskiest growth strategy because there are more unknowns. But it could also be the most profitable if you're able to corner the market with something new and different for the end user. So if you're a startup or a relatively new business with a few product lines already on the market, try using the Ansoff Matrix to determine possible growth opportunities. Although fairly simplistic in its conception, this framework is helpful in conceptualizing risks and opportunities for your company's product line. If you have questions for me, would like to suggest a topic, please write your ideas in the comments section below. Or possibly you're thinking of doing a marketing strategy for your company or organization. If so, I would love to hear about that. If you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. We'll see you every week with new videos, so please stay tuned and let's take this journey together.